How real estate builders makes money? A very important question asked by so many people in our comment. If I'll become a real estate builder, what are the ways through which I can earn money? So watch this video till the end and you'll get an answer that what are the various ways through which a real estate builder can earn money. I'm Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and actor. One thing I want to tell you, if you are not subscribed our channel, click on subscribe button, hit bell icon. We don't want you to miss even a single important video on our channel, because after subscription you'll get a notification of every video on time. Point number one, from property or home buyers. If you are a real estate builder, if you are making any kind of project, a flat scheme, an apartment, a township, a commercial project or a hybrid project, combination of commercial and residential, in that case, when you complete that project and when you sell that product to a particular client, then you get a profit by selling that product. So the end profit is by reducing the cost of land, by reducing the cost of construction, by reducing the cost of all the expenses including salaries and all, whatever you get at the end is your pure profit as a builder. Second income, from leasing to companies. If you have decided that I don't want to sell a commercial land or a commercial floor and I want to lease out this floor to a nationalized bank or a private company or anything, if you want to lease that land or to a hotel or to a corporate client or to a franchisee for any business purpose, in that case you can earn a second income as a rental income. And you can do an agreement for a long term, like 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. Then in that case, you have an assurity of a rental income for the next 15, 20, 35 years. This is the second kind of income you can get as a builder if you have a commercial space that can be leased out in your project. You have watched the video till here. Point number 2 is over. Before starting point number 3, I just want to say, do hit subscribe button and bell icon. Because most of the people come to our channel, they watch our content, they feel very good, but they forgot to subscribe. We don't want you to miss even a single important video. Third, from selling old properties. It is not necessary that every time as a builder, when you bought properties in the past, you will make a project on that land. After research, after evaluation, after doing feasibility, you came to know that this land is not suitable for building a construction project right now. In that case, if you have invested in that land 5 years back or 10 years back or 20 years back, then you can take a decision of selling that land and buying a new land at a new place where there is a more demand of a residential project or a commercial project. In that case, you can get a profit by selling that old land. I know that you want to buy a new land as well for building a new project, but it might be possible that 10 years or 20 years down the line, you bought at 1x. But now the price of that land is 10x. Even though there is less demand of a residential project there, but there is more demand of a plot there. And you don't want to go into the plotting business, or you don't want to become a land developer. In that case, you can sell that land and you can earn a profit as well. Because this is an overall different kind of income which is associated with the profession of buildership. Fourth category or fourth way, from hotel, resorts and hospitals. All these three things are either a hotel or a resort or a hospital require land or an infrastructure for starting. So if in your project there is a commercial land, you can have a joint venture deal with a 3-star, 4-star or a 5-star hotel as well. So you can get a big income in the form of rental. I know many projects in which there is a big joint venture tie-up with big hospitality hotel industry brand. You can earn from resorts as well. If suppose you have bought a property in a place where there is water, where there are hills, where there is a natural beauty in the surrounding, in that case you can have a joint venture tie-up with a resort making company, a holiday home company, where they can build a resort by their own money and you can be a joint venture partner. So as a builder, if you are a successful builder, if you are regularly making projects, if you are reinvesting that money in various land, you have ample opportunities to earn money in the future. And another is hospital, one of the most important necessities of life. So if you see, most of the hospitals in our country belongs to most of the builders as well, because a hospital requires a huge infrastructure. You can have a team of 3, 4, 5, 7 top doctors, specialized doctors that are running the hospital. But most of the time the hospital belongs to the big builders or a big construction or an industry tycoon. So this is another way of making money as a builder. Fifth, from bank. How builder can earn from a bank, I'll tell you. If suppose you are making 1000 flats, it's a huge project of township. or even 100 flats, and you know that the average ticket size of your flat is from 1.5 crore to 2.5 crore. In that case, you can take a corporate DSA from the bank in your firm's name, and if the customer is applying for a home loan, then in that case you can get from 0.30, 0.40 to 1% as well from different banks. That is also a huge hefty amount when you calculate it, considering 1000 flats in one place. So even as a builder, you have an opportunity to earn from the banks as well if you go for a corporate DSA or having loan cases for your customers only. So this is also another way to earn money as a builder. I know it is very small compared to the total profit you get as a builder. In this video, we are just educating that how many different type of income a builder can generate in this business. If you want to know all this thing in detail, in depth, you can contact on our boardline number if you want to learn something from us. You can fill a description from RGC CEO coaching, where you can fill out your details. Our team will do a scrutiny. If they feel that you are a selected one, then they can have a one-to-one clarity call with me, for which is for a normal call we charge more than 30,000 to 40,000 for a clarity call, but this would be a free clarity call for deciding your business model, for planning or strategizing your business model in future. So thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for your support. If you want us to make video on some other topic on real estate, do comment below. Thank you so much for making a book, Real Estate Game Changer, a national bestseller. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.